Oh my gosh, I still haven't found, like, Ice Monkey. I've been looking for ages. What? Where did you come from?
Wait,
Ice Monkey.
Door Monkey!
I've been looking for you ages.
I am too! I think I saw a Zilly, but he just like ran off.
It's a she.
She.
I think. Anyways, I don't know.
I think it's a he.
I think it's she.
Okay, whatever. But I did see something, but probably it wasn't a Zilly. But
I haven't seen you in ages.
wait, my old body.
My old body
We were like messed up after the war.
Oh yeah.
We were pretty bruised up. Look at me. I had like my veins were popping out.
Oh, this is me. Yeah, I'm ugly. Get that thing out of here.
Yeah, get that thing out of it.
That's ugly.
Well, we're on fresh bodies. This is like exactly how we looked like at the start.
Well, not exactly, because I'm way bigger than my.
Yeah, you kind of grew a little bit. You're 3 years older.
I'm still the same age. I just grew a
you're
new
not.
body.
You're 3 years older. Ow.
Alright. Wait. Do you know who that was? That was like in the middle of that voice that told you that was like talking to you in the start.
Sun God?
Wait, who's Sun God?
The golden guy. The guy in the temple. Do you not remember
him,
that?
yeah.
Azuli was eliminated. Do you not remember?
Oh, yeah, that's a very bad impression of him, but yeah.
Yeah, I can't really do that.
Yeah.
Because I'm not this guy.
But I am.
I don't know what happened to my eyebrows.
Who did that? Who did that? Yeah, you should. Yeah.
I said that. I said what happened to my eyebrows.
Yeah, you should really get your eyebrows fixed, but.
Yeah.
But I am the true sun god. Wait, who did that?
That's the sun god.
Where?
True sun god, where are you?
Yeah. Is this a true sun god?
He's watching us, but
Oh no.
can you not get in front of my face?
Okay. I'm just so excited because true sun god's here. I'm not the sun god. I'm just the actor. Yeah, there's another actor, but he's just really scared. Yeah. That's your act. That's your actor. That's your actor.
Guys,
Why?
I think Dark Monkey passed out. Anyway, in the next video we might find a Zilly, so bye! Okay, come in. Okay guys, so we told you that we were gonna do a video like this. Yeah, so we did it, and basically we're doing this thing where...
Say it again. I don't hear you. I did.
No, you go in.
I
Now
did.
you say something.
I don't know. We're doing this thing where we introduce a new character every video. Yeah, that's it.
I think I went a little crazy for a few seconds.
Hey, you have this. Hey guys, I'm the voice of Dark Monkey.
Guys, but really, these are our old bodies.
What's happening?
We didn't really mess these up. We just made them look powerful, but we're just saying that oh my god, they are messed up. They have bruises.
Hey, give me my old body.
What?
Hey, give me my old body. He's over there.
I'm not sure where it is.
He's literally dead on the floor over there. Yeah, David did this one. Hey, who's David?
I'm stronger. I shard.
Yeah, I just used him as a shield.
Whip.
Why are you using your own dead body to attack my dead body? Yeah, it's weird. Let's put them over there.
It kind of.
Bye, guys. Come in.